Hi everyone, welcome to my first time tutorial. Today I will be teaching a Chinese dance called Jiang Nan Xue, a beautiful dance choreographed by Zhang Xinwen 老师 from Shanghai. This is an intermediate level dance, a short dance, only 32 counts. I split it into 4 sections, making it easy to learn. So let's begin step by step. Before we start, I would like to mention again, this is an intermediate level dance. In the dance, breathing is important. We don't just focus on the movement. Our breathing also coordinate with the dance to make it softer, to make it more express feeling. So, at the end of the tutorial, I will show you where I breathe in, breathe out. So you can better to understand the flow of the dance. So let's begin. Let's start with section 1. So we use right hand hold fan, 3 fingers to hold fan like this. Let me show you. So your left finger put on your right hand inner elbow. So on 1, 2, we just gently move right, left, right. Left, right. So we start on 3 o'clock. Right foot in front, left foot toe point, and start here. Count 1, 2, and 3, 4. So on this is a 1, 2, and so. And put aside, and your left foot put aside on the and 3, 4. So let me show you again. 1, 2, and 3, 4. On 3, 4 we do try spring. So let me show you again. 1, 2, and 3, 4. On 5, what we do on your left hand, we just do it like 5. Before it's here, spring, 5, 6, 7, 8. On right hand, on left hand is here, 4 in front, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. So, what you do for your left foot, when you do it, 5, 6, you move behind, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left foot just on 5, put behind, 6, lower ground gravity, 7, 8. Lift it up a bit. So gently roll down on 6 and lift up on 7, 8. So what we do for our right hand, so see my right hand, spring. So on 5, prepare to go down. 5, 6. Draw a circle, an inward circle, and cover your face, and 8 to remember your face. 7, 8. So let me show you again. Here, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that we do whole together for whole part 4. So this is a 4, spring, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to section 2. 7, 8, in, okay, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. So okay, So this is once again 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3. The left foot, bend, slap bend close to your right foot and make a spread. And spread from the top. And 1, 2. 1, 2 should be lift. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Sit on 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8, 5, 6. Move in front, the left foot. Move in front and make it. Like imagine you are in the room. You slap the window and looking outside the beautiful outside. Yeah? Just imagine. So we do it like this. We do it like 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we already learned 2 sections. So now we're doing from the top for these 2 sections. Okay? Here, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4,